Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to start unit 4, that is multimedia presentation. In this unit we will see that how we can make a multimedia presentation by using the Microsoft PowerPoint application, and this is the very first lesson of this unit, in which we will see the introduction of multimedia presentation, and further we will see that what are the areas in which multimedia presentations are used, and at the end we'll also study some of the basic terms related to multimedia presentation in PowerPoint especially. First of all, introduction. Multimedia is a combination of text, sound, animation, video, images, etc. Multimedia, this term refers to multiple ways of communication or multiple ways of representing information is called multimedia. Medium or media, it's a way of communicating information or data, and multi means more than one. So in multimedia presentation we have multiple types of data, or we have multiple ways of representing data or information, that is text, sound, animation, video and images, etc. All of these different types of media can be used in the PowerPoint presentation. Multimedia presentations are used in several different areas. PowerPoint provides the easiest way to create multimedia presentations. Presentation designs are slides that contain basic color, style, text and alignment choices for presentation. PowerPoint provides the background fill effects to our presentation that we will study in this unit, that how we can add those background fill effects in our presentation by using the PowerPoint application. Further, we will also see some of the background fill effects which are given in the PowerPoint, that is gradient, texture, pattern and pictures are some type of background fill effects. Animation is a movement of objects in a presentation. We will also practically see that how we can add animations in our presentation and how many types of animations are there in a presentation. Animation types are slide transition and custom animation. So this unit is about how to prepare or how to produce a good presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint, that we will study in this unit. Okay, now multimedia presentation. Multimedia presentation is a combination of text, audio, still images, animations and videos, etc. So it means that we can add these different types of elements, or the elements which represents data in different forms can be added in a multimedia presentation, whether it is in the form of text or in the form of voice or audio, or maybe it is in the form of still images or animations or videos. So all of these different types of elements can be added in a multimedia presentation. A multimedia presentation may contain the following elements: video or movie clip, animation. Animation, as we know, that is the movement of objects from one place to another in a slide. Further, we can also add sound. This could be a voice, background music or sound clip. Just like here, the way I am doing, I am actually adding my voice in the form of recording on these slides. And further, we can also add some navigation structures. Okay, use of multimedia presentation. Multimedia presentations are used in several different areas that are listed below. First of all, education. Yes, in education, multimedia presentations are very widely used nowadays, whether it is in classrooms or in any learning and teaching process. we see that multimedia presentations are there and they are used by the teachers as well as by the students while giving their presentations in front of the audience. Further, in engineering and scientific researches, multimedia presentations are widely used. In businesses, yes, the business related data or information can easily be presented to the stakeholders of the business by adding charts, graphs or tables in the presentation which represents the business related data or information. Journalism, yes, in journalism multimedia presentations are widely used. Further, document imaging is also a very important use of multimedia presentation. Okay, now PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint provides the easiest way to create and edit a multimedia presentation. User can add video, sound and animation, etc. Slide and slideshow, these are some of the basic terms related to PowerPoint presentations. First of all, slides. A presentation is a set of screens called slides. So a single screen of multimedia presentation is called slide. Now what is slideshow? Slideshow is an on-screen presentation of slides. In slideshow, the selected slide is displayed along with all the text, art, graphs and any other user-aided items. So that is the main difference between slide and slideshow. Okay, now how to add new slide in a PowerPoint presentation. User can add new slide in the following ways. Click on new slide button in slide groups of home tab. Here in this image we can see that under the home tab there is a new slide button. So whenever we click on this button, a new slide will be added in our presentation. Second method is by using the keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl+M. Whenever we press the Ctrl+M shortcut key from our keyboard, a new slide will be added in our presentation automatically. Second, how to start the slideshow. Once we have prepared our presentation and we want to start the slideshow, so there are several ways of starting the slideshow. User can view slideshow by any of the following ways. First, click slideshow at the lower left of the PowerPoint window. This is one way of starting the slideshow. Or on the slideshow tab, click from beginning or from current slide. As we can see here in this image that there are two options available under the slideshow tab. So if you want to start the slideshow from the beginning, means from the first slide, so we'll click on the from the beginning button. And if you want to start it from any current slide in between the presentation, so for that purpose we will be using the from current slide option. Further, the third method is click on the slideshow at right side of the title bar. Here in this image we can see that that is enclosed inside the blue rectangle. Or the most easiest way of starting the slideshow, that is by pressing the F5 key from our keyboard. So that's very simple to start the slideshow, and there are several ways of doing this. Okay students, so this was the first lesson of this unit, that is multimedia presentation, in which we discussed the use of multimedia presentation in some areas, and further we also discussed some of the basic terms related to the PowerPoint presentation. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Vision Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.